Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we explore the world of exquisite interior design. Today, we're taking you on a virtual tour of 10 high-end living room interiors nestled in the lap of luxury within the suburbs of New York. One striking feature you'll notice in these living rooms is their soaring ceilings. The use of high ceilings creates a sense of grandeur and spaciousness, making these spaces feel even more luxurious. To enhance the ambiance, large full-height windows allow an abundance of natural light to flood in, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The choice of materials and furnishings in these interiors is nothing short of spectacular. From sumptuous leather sofas to sleek marble coffee tables, every element has been carefully curated to exude sophistication. Premium materials like velvet, silk, and brass accents are seamlessly integrated to elevate the overall design. If you're looking to transform your living space into a haven of modern luxury, draw inspiration from these interiors. Whether you're a homeowner or simply an interior design enthusiast, these designs offer a wealth of ideas for creating a lavish and inviting living room. Don't forget to hit that like button if you've enjoyed this virtual tour, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design inspiration. Stay tuned for more captivating interior journeys on our YouTube channel.